Welcome to this iLearning video on how to upload a document to an entity or client site. To begin, search for an entity that you would wish to upload a document to. You can begin by starting in the search field located in the top right corner of your screen and enter at least first three letters of any entity that you wish to search for. In addition, if you have the My Recent Entities or the My Entities widget on your dashboard, you can quickly search for an entity from one of these widgets. I'm going to go ahead and select the Shelby Bridge Thrift Shop as my entity to upload a document to a client's area. To do that, I'll go ahead and select on the file icon or the folder icon that will navigate me to the file listing areas. Now, when I'm ready to add a document to an entity, one of the first things I want to do is to ensure that I am on the correct entity at this point in time. Now, I have a couple of ways to add a document to an entity. I can click on the Browse button and navigate to a file located in my file manager or somewhere that is located on my local workstation. I can also drag and drop a file directly into this gray area to add a document. In this exercise, I will click on the My Browse button. Now, as you can see here, it's opened up to my file manager, and anywhere that I have a file that I'd like to add to iChannel, I can just navigate to that file. In this exercise, I'll go ahead and my entity site. So I select it, then select Open. The Add Documents window will appear on my screen. If I do need to change any of the properties associated to that document, I can do so at this time. First, if I wish to update the title of the document, I can change that within the title field. Also, my parent-child categories will be listed, and if I need to update where this document will be located within my file manager, I can select a new parent category and a new child category. Remember, all documents that come into iChannel must be assigned to a category in a parent-child category. The target subfolder and the create new target subfolder is not used, therefore we will not be updating the change properties for these fields. If this document, for any reason, does need to be published to the portal for your clients based on the parent-child categories that you've selected, you can put a check in the Publish to Portal. That is a rare occurrence and not often is it selected. This document will be in the file management system and is a permanent document. And if for any reason this document that you are adding to the client file area needs to be in a different year other than the year of the current year, you can make that change property at this point in time. Again, you can also change the document status by bringing this document in as just whether this is a normal, draft, final, locked, or to be deleted, depending on which document status. Typically, you would bring the document in as draft or normal. If this document that you are uploading into the client area is also going to be associated to a project, you can go ahead and select that project at this time by placing a check next to the project or projects that you wish to tag this document for. And again, you can also add a subtopic for this document if need be. Once you have made any decisions to change the properties on your field, just go ahead and click the Add, and that will add the document to your file area. So now, as you can see, this document is within the file area for the entity, and as you can see, it's also been associated to a project on my screen. Thank you for watching this iLearning video on how to add a document to a client entity site.